this is a transmitter part. We need to plug in 2 in number AA size battery into this. After the battery has been plugged in, check the voltage at these 2 points. Yeah, see, the voltage is available. Just keep transmitter here and receiver opposite this. After that, you can check the logic at the receiver end. Connect the minus probe to the minus point and plus probe to the yellow wire. And see, it shows logic high 4.8 volt. If I insert my hand in between, see the logic becoming 0. If I remove my hand, logic becomes high. That means the beam is being interrupted. See, the logic becomes low. Once we have tested this logic this way, now we can connect this wire, output wire, to any of the input channel. So let me connect it to this point. Okay, now we have connected all the sensors. Smoke sensor we have been tested, water sensor we have been tested. Let us try the interrupt sensor. So we have to interrupt the beam. See what happens when I interrupt the beam. See, the device does the same thing. Now this transmitter can be fixed at 15 to 20 feet apart. Receiver should be near to the project. So whenever this beam gets interrupted, we'll have the same siren and diode function. So let us see the diode function once more. See, it is dialing out.
Emergency, emergency, emergency. Please come immediately. Emergency, emergency, emergency. Please
so same way it will dial out
emergency, emergency,
and give
emergency.
you emergency message.
Please come immediately. Emergency, emergency, emergency. Please come immediately. Emergency, emergency, emergency. Please come immediately. Emergency, emergency, emergency. Please come immediately.
So let us press this button and
please
stop this device.
Emergency, emergency, emergency. Please come immediately.
So this is going to make 5 calls, and after 5 calls it will again check the sensor. If the sensor is still activated, it's going to make another 5 calls. That is how all about. We can connect a gas sensor also here. See, the terminals are still available to us. These 2 terminals. Already connected 3 sensors: water sensor, internal smoke sensor. One more sensor can be connected to any of these 2 points, or you can connect up to 5 sensors. Terminals are available. These 2 are dummy terminals. Here you cannot connect anything. Remember, all these sensors which are connected, they are just, we are designed only for this project purpose. Remember, this project do not come along with all these sensors. You have to buy these sensors separately. We have given a choice to the user, because the project is same whether you use a professional grade sensors or the sensor we have just designed for student purpose. They are not well been tested commercially, so we normally don't sell these sensors. But if students wanted these sensors, they are available at additional cost. That is all about this project. Now we have still improved version of this project, where this section has been added. If you want to log all the events to PC, that you can do so, and in the PC you can log all the events: what time flooding took place, what time intruder came, and the PC you can utilize this data for your useful purpose. So what we have added is a 9-pin D socket and MAX 232 IC and associated circuitry. Now these features are available at additional cost to the previous project. Rest of the features are same as before. Thank you.